Hey guys, this is Love Rudraksh and I'm back with another new video. You know guys, this is December and year is ending. Yeah, year is ending. So you better watch this video, and it's very happening video, trust me on that. And watch it with your full dedication and concentration power. First question, I really genuinely want to know why Santa Claus is red in color.
Are we supposed to know that? Because Christmas theme is red and white. So he has to be in red.
Rose love all the time and
Blood
he
is
love
also red, you know.
love के लिए ही होता है आपका blood भी
प्यार के लिए खून होता है, okay?
जो दिल से निकलता है. Yes.
गर्ल्स का जो रोज देते हैं वो फेवरेट रेड ही होता है.
So Santa Claus के लिए red है.
I think because he showers love everywhere. Maybe that's...
That is like the real answer.
Thank you.
Love.
अगर Santa Claus एक्चुअल में हो तो मैं उसको विश करूँ
Sexy guy.
What are the requirements that you need in that sexy guy?
Should be tall, manly, have a good voice, you know.
एक दिन तो यार डटी सबके लिए बना ही दे.
What do you mean by that?
मुझे ना बहुत कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता है उसको ठीक कर. A very hot guy, you know.
Very, very hot guy.
Which I haven't found
Like
yet.
Mr. Grey.
On Earth.
That hurt?
Dirtiest.
Yeah. All the girls are
I
like,
don't
I
know.
want hot guy, but you already have a hot guy. So
Yeah, I
can't
already
say
have
that.
one. So another one like him.
मुझे तो मेरा लव चाहिए.
And it should be red in color.
No.
He gives me a voucher of worth 10,000 rupees. I can go and do a shopping.
Girls love shopping, hence proof.
Yeah, a night with her.
A night with her sounds really creepy.
Candlelight dinner.
Candlelight dinner.
The question is basically, would you like to spend one night with Santa Claus doing what?
I'll just give me lots of gifts and you know.
I thought she was gonna say pleasure.
Virgin.
Version of course.
Married, not unmarried.
But वो रात को आता है, dude. I really doubt on that. He's virgin.
I don't know. I have no idea.
This is a universal question, you know. Everybody want to know Santa Claus is virgin or not.
He is married because there is Mrs. Claus as well.
He's not a virgin.
And how do you know that?
Because I just know that.
उसका कोई दावा नहीं कर सकता. ये सही है.
Do you think Modi and Santa Claus somewhere related?
Yes, they are both cute.
My philosophy is basically दोनों बोलते हैं अच्छे दिन आएंगे, वो अच्छे दिन कभी नहीं आते.
Just because of the roaming thing, nothing else.
Actually, it can be, yeah, relatable, man.
Yes.
Bang on.
He can have a dhoti kurta.
धोती कुर्ता, Santa Claus wearing धोती.
A red dhoti kurta. Obviously Punjabi.
Why so Punjabi?
खुले दिल.
खुले दिल से गिफ्ट देगा जितने मिल रहे हैं.
A little overreacting.
Yeah.
हाय रब्बा, मैं गिफ्ट देने आया हूँ. Something like that.
Exactly. तुम्हें गिफ्ट देने आया हूँ, सोचो तुम्हें.
So, like, you know, cold weather, and why are you wearing this?
Because I'm hot.
Damn, I'm a sexy bitch.
Swag. This is like your swag, right? Swag. I got the swag in me. You think love is real?
Yes, it is.
Your love is real? Do
Exactly.
you think this love is real?
Exactly.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
You don't know? Okay, sing my version. Okay, sing my version.
Okay.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming to fuck you tonight. Get ready. So guys, Love Rudraksh is wishing you very, very merry and merry Christmas, and I will surely wish you New Year on 1st Jan. Bye. Whoa, wait a second guys, I forgot to tell you one thing. Do check out my last video that is like a selfie prank. I'm asking 50 girls, then a girl asking 50 guys, and don't forget to check out the vlog channel, it's over there. Like me on Facebook, like me on Instagram, like me everywhere, because I have given you so much of entertainment, so you have to give me some back. You have to give me some things back. And like, bye.